Welcome to this video on how to grow your money safely and build a secure financial future that protects you and your family from financial stress. Many people want to become wealthy, but very few actually know how to grow money without putting it in risky places that may wipe out years of hard work. The truth is, you don't need to gamble, trade blindly, or chase risky opportunities to build long-lasting wealth. What you really need is a safe and smart financial plan that allows your money to grow step by step without unnecessary risks. Today, I will share with you practical, proven, and safe strategies that anyone can follow to grow money slowly and steadily over time. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to protect your money while making it grow into a powerful tool for your future. Why growing money safely matters. Money is the foundation of financial independence, and growing it safely ensures that you never run into unnecessary risks that can ruin your savings. If you only keep your money in cash or under your mattress, inflation will silently reduce its value every year. On the other hand, if you chase risky schemes or invest without knowledge, you may lose everything in a single wrong decision. Safe money growth means finding a balance where your money earns returns but stays protected at the same time. It's about letting your money work for you while keeping your hard-earned savings secure from unnecessary risks. This approach not only builds wealth but also gives you peace of mind, knowing your financial future is safe. Build a strong savings habit. Growing money safely always begins with building a savings habit that creates a solid financial foundation. Before thinking about investments, you should focus on setting aside cash regularly that can cover emergencies and give you stability. Try to save at least 20% of your monthly income, even if the amount feels small at first, because small savings add up over time. Automating your savings helps you stay consistent, as the money goes directly into your account before you spend it. A savings habit not only builds financial discipline but also creates confidence and peace of mind. Remember, every dollar you save today is a step toward financial freedom tomorrow. Avoid high-risk investments. Many people lose money because they get attracted to quick rich schemes that promise unrealistic profits in a short time. High-risk investments like gambling, get-rich-quick programs, or unverified online platforms can wipe out years of savings in days. Always remember, if something sounds too good to be true, then it almost always is. Safe money growth does not come from taking blind risks but from following a patient and steady approach. The slower, safer path may feel boring, but it always wins in the long run compared to shortcuts. Avoiding high-risk traps is the first step to keeping your financial journey secure. Use a high-yield savings account. A high-yield savings account is one of the safest and simplest ways to grow money without stress. Unlike regular accounts, these give you a higher interest rate on your savings, helping your money grow faster. Your funds remain liquid, which means you can withdraw them whenever you need without penalties. Many online banks and credit unions offer high-yield accounts with no monthly fees or hidden charges. Even though the returns are not huge, the money is safe and federally insured, giving you complete protection. This is an excellent option for people who want steady growth without exposing their savings to risks. Pay off high-interest debt first. One of the smartest ways to grow money safely is to get rid of high-interest debt as quickly as possible. Credit card debt, payday loans, and certain personal loans often charge extremely high interest rates. Every time you pay interest, you are losing money that could have been saved or invested for your future. Clearing debt is like earning a guaranteed return because you are saving money you would have lost in interest payments. Once you are debt-free, you will have extra income every month to save and invest wisely. Safe money growth always begins with plugging financial leaks before building wealth. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund (ACTS) as a safety net that protects you when unexpected financial problems appear. It can cover sudden expenses like medical bills, urgent home repairs, or even job loss. Ideally, you should have 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved in this fund. Keep it in a safe place like a savings account or money market account where it is accessible but not risky. Having this fund prevents you from using credit cards or loans in emergencies, keeping your finances safe. An emergency fund brings peace of mind because you know you are protected no matter what happens. Invest in low-risk options. Once you have savings and an emergency fund, you can start with low-risk investments that grow steadily. Options include government bonds, index funds, and stable blue-chip stocks that have long histories of growth. Bonds are safe because they are backed by the government and guarantee returns. Index funds spread your money across hundreds of companies, reducing the chance of big losses. Blue-chip stocks are large, stable companies that have survived economic ups and downs over decades. These investments may not make you rich overnight, but they provide steady growth over the years. Certificates of deposit, CDs, certificates of deposit, also known as CDs, are one of the safest ways to let your money grow without risk. You deposit your money for a fixed time, such as 6 months or 1 year, and earn higher interest than a normal account. The longer you lock in your money, the higher the interest rate you usually get. CDs are protected by the bank and often insured by the government, making them extremely safe. They are best for people who do not need immediate access to their funds. This is a simple, guaranteed way to earn more from your savings without market risks. Real estate for safe growth. Real estate is one of the most stable and proven ways to grow wealth safely over the long term. Buying property allows your money to grow in value as home prices usually increase over time. In addition, you can earn rental income that provides extra monthly cash flow. Real estate also acts as protection against inflation because property values usually rise when costs go up. While it requires patience, real estate is less volatile compared to stocks and other risky assets. Many successful people have built their financial security by owning real estate. Keep learning about money. Knowledge is one of the safest and most valuable investments you can ever make. The more you learn about finance, the more confident and smarter your decisions will be. Read books, watch educational videos, and follow trusted financial experts to expand your knowledge. Learning protects you from scams and bad financial traps that cost people their savings. Education ensures you keep improving and never stop growing financially. Smart investors understand that learning is a lifelong habit that pays the best rewards. Think long-term and stay patient. The biggest secret to growing money safely is having patience and focusing on long-term results. Building wealth takes years, not weeks, and requires steady contributions. Focus on consistent saving and investing instead of chasing fast results that may lead to losses. Reinvest your earnings so compound growth can multiply your wealth over time. Do not panic during market ups and downs. Trust the process and stay calm. Long-term thinking always beats short-term gambling when it comes to money growth. Diversify your investments. One of the golden rules of safe money growth is diversification, which means not putting all your money in one place. Spread your investments across savings, bonds, real estate, and stable stocks to balance risk. Diversification protects you because if one area performs poorly, another may perform well and cover the loss. It ensures that your financial future does not depend on just one source of income. Safe money growth always comes from balance and security across different areas. This strategy makes your wealth strong and stable in the long run. Always live below your means and spend less than you earn every month. Automate savings and investments so you never forget or skip contributions. Use budgeting tools and apps to track your spending and cut unnecessary costs. Avoid making emotional decisions and always think logically about money choices. Protect yourself and your family with insurance for health, home, and life. Remember, safe money growth comes from consistency, security, and smart choices.